The real world starts here, loud and clear. One decision launches your mission to become valuable, adaptable, unstoppable. In the real world, hands-on ability shapes your credibility to flex your flexibility and thrive where others dive. In the real world, top of their list, you got this. Connect to the best, outthink the rest, summon your own success. In the real world, feed your fire for innovation, inspiration, the yearning, burning aspiration to represent your generation. In the real world, be the one, the young gun, the up and come, the standout, she, he, they, or we that shakes the tree. In the real world.